Packable crossbody sling bag, and this is the size of it. You are going to be super surprised how small this actually is. Palm of my hand, the size of this, and it's almost comparable. You think it's small? Size of the phone compared to this. Hairbrush compared to this, well, kind of similar. And the water bottle compared to this as well. So this is really packable. It is absolutely small. You can go ahead and throw this in the luggage. It is nice and compact. But when you open this up, this is where all the fun begins. Now, the whole entire thing is absolutely amazing because it's made with the bag itself. So you're unpacking the bag and there is no cover to it. The cover is the actual bag. And it is a sling bag as well. So you open this up and you get your sling right over here. And you can easily just go ahead, put this on you, go to the gym, go just about anywhere. Both spots you can stick this on. You can go ahead and access the bag itself. Nice and soft, the entire material. Easy for you to take this off and on. Now let's go into the cool stuff you can stick inside here. First off, right at the top here, there is this location where you go ahead and unbuckle this up. As you unbuckle this, you go into the main access area. Now this is good because there is two ways in here. It is to prevent somebody from going ahead and 5-finger discount something that is inside at the top of this thing. So opening this up, what we have here is a big compartment, and we can stick a huge bottle of water right inside. In fact, as you can see here, you can pick and get even bigger bottle of water and stick it right inside here. Now talking about the inside, let's go ahead and take a look. At this place, we can go ahead and stick a bunch of stuff. There is a big pocket over here. On the other side, there is the moose pocket. In the moose pocket, you can stick two different things because there is two different holes. So if you have multi-tools, that's an excellent place for you to stick this in. And there is another pocket over here that you can put things inside. Talking about inside, well, there is more right in here, and you can just pack this pack jam with everything you need for your EDC and for everything else as well. Now on the sides over here, this is expandable. So let's take a look. Can we put this right on? So sometimes you take the Saratoga water bottle, and we have those things that don't even fit water. Well, lo and behold, you can pack two different water bottles for you and your significant other or your girlfriend or even your boyfriend, whoever you're working with, and you can stick it on one side and another. So it gives them the opportunity for them to have a drink with you. So you no longer have to just pack just one. You can pack two. Now at the top over here, there is also a small location. If you're carrying keys and you need it right in the front, there's a small pocket for you to go ahead and stick your pocket change, stick your keys, and so on. Now another thing about this is that as you open this up, there is another pocket inside of a pocket. How convenient is this? This is, well, that's where you need it. This for the hair comb, and you can just go ahead and stick it in this specific pocket over here. Now talking about pockets, there is another pocket right in the bottom here, but it's not a pocket. It looks like a convenient pocket right here, but it actually is what you're going to be using to hang this just about anywhere. Yeah, it is upside down, but so what? You can hang it just like that. Now this is about it. That's all you're getting here, but here's one more bonus for you. So for those of you who are getting this and you're like, oh, this is just for right shoulder people or the left shoulder, it doesn't actually matter because you can go ahead and switch the shoulders around. So you can go ahead and unbuckle this from one side and put it to the other side as well. And then when you're done and you decide, well, I need to go ahead and brush my hair, or I need to put this all together and pack for my trip, you can easily go ahead and do so because this whole entire thing is packetable. So you pack this all combined, all together, putting all this stuff in here, and it's gonna pack itself into this outmost miniature little thing that you can take on the go with the airplane or anywhere that you go for that matter. So what makes it really great is that your possibilities of taking this on the go and going to different places are just extremely awesome, because now you no longer have to go ahead and have like all those little bags and everything with you on the trip and so on, because you can go ahead and put everything right inside this little pocket over here, and then you can go ahead and take it on the go. So if you're flying on an airplane a lot, you know, space is king, and a lot of times you need a lot of space, and you want to compact everything inside your luggage. So with this one over here, you can go ahead and do so exactly that. So I'm putting this together right here pretty quick. As you can see, I'm sticking everything in, and you'll be like, oh, this does take some time. Well, it does take time because I'm looking at you. But then as you put this all together, the space becomes king, because now you can go ahead and pack this small little thing right in your carry-on. So when you need a full-size backpack for you to go ahead and pack everything up, this is great for those of you who are minimalistic, need something super small, and you want to take it on the go just about anywhere. So for those of you who didn't know, there is a bonus section over here. There is something that no one knew that actually exists over here that is absolutely cool. So right at the front over here, there is a place for you to put your keys or to put your phone. So if you have even the iPhone Max, which I don't have, but even if you do, there is plenty of space here to go ahead and stick your phone with your keys right inside this compartment over here. And it's designed for easy access right in the front. And then you can go ahead and change this around and get everything in, and of course access it from the side as well. So if you're using this exactly as a sling, you put this on, you have your phone, your keys, your wallet, anything you need right at the front. Then you can go ahead and pull the rest of it out, open the bag, and access your pocket change or everything else that you need right from the inside over here, which is actually very convenient, and I absolutely like this. I think when it comes to the rating, this definitely deserves from practicality, from the price, and for the functionality to be a 9.5 out of 10. Definitely get this. This is in the coral red. It looks absolutely amazing, and it's great for EDC and everyday carry. Definitely get yours today.